Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Wellthy by Boots Nighttime Rituals Sleep Tape. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box are 30 sleep tapes or mouth tapes from Wellthy by Boots Nighttime Rituals. I'm just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. So there is instructions on how to use it, as well as general product information and more product information and warnings. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by cutting apart the clear sticky seal that's keeping the box securely closed, and just popping it open and giving you a look directly inside of the box packaging for this Wellthy by Boots Nighttime Rituals Sleep Tape. And let's pull the contents out from the box packaging and of course checking through to make sure nothing else is left behind or inside of the box. I'm just giving you a look at the other details on the inside of the box flap. Now we can set the box to the side, just setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at the contents that we've just pulled out from the box packaging. So we can see there are 6 strips or lengths of mouth tape or sleep tape, and each strip or length consists of 5 mouth tapes or sleep tapes. So you can see they are in an X shape. I'm just giving you a look at the details right there of the mouth tape as it is straight out of the box packaging. So you can see the X shape or cross shape design of the sleep tape or mouth tape. So it comes in a box of 30 as seen here. Now let's go ahead and open up one of them, but we can also separate each of the mouth tapes. As I can see, there are some perforations right there, so just tearing them, or at least one off from the strip to give you a much closer in look at its details right there. So you can see sealed up with a clear film over the front of the mouth tape, and the back part just giving you a look at the rest of the packaging right there. And now let's go ahead and, before I do that actually, to give you some sense of its size, just resting it in my palm right there, the Wellthy by Boots Nighttime Rituals Sleep Tape. Okay, and of course the thickness still inside of the packet right there, giving you some sense of the thinness or dimensions of this mouth tape or sleep tape. Now let's go ahead and open it up by peeling open the packet. Okay, so there we go, giving you a much closer in look and clearer look, of course, with the film or packet opened. And you can see the mouth tape now has this soft purple color or pastel purple color, and it is made with a fabric type material. And of course, just peeling it off now from the packet itself, and we can see that there is an additional film backing to the mouth tape, so still can be handled individually from its sealed packet. As you can see, it is or still has a backing to the mouth tape. Now let's peel it off from the backing so we can see and check the adhesive out. So I'm giving you a look at the back of the mouth tape or sleep tape, of course the front as well. So it is or has a fabric or textile design Okay, and to give you some sense of its stickiness, with the adhesive backing, just applying it gently onto the back of my hand right there. And you can see just tapping it, not even pressing down lightly. I can feel the stickiness already of the mouth tape, and to give you a sense right there of the adhesive strength. So it does peel off nicely without any injury. So right there, the Wellthy by Boots Nighttime Ritual Sleep Tape. So just saving it so it doesn't go to waste. You can find that film backing once again. Place it back onto the film backing. Of course, it's only designed for one-time use. And now let's peel it off again just to give you some sense of the mouth tape's design and usability. And just reapplying and saving it for later use. So you can see, nice and soft with a good level of adhesion. So that's the Wellthy by Boots Nighttime Ritual Sleep Tape. Thanks for watching and happy sleeping!